Fly high without spending a lot of money with one of the best cheap drones on the market. We have been selective and only choose drones that we think are worth it. When it comes to drones, DJI offers some of the best drones for the money with incredible recording quality, responsive controls, and a flurry of added features most drones on the market just can't match. 1. DJI Tello. The DJI Tello is by far my favorite camera drone under $100 as it can fly for 10-12 minutes, which is incredible for this price. And it comes with an excellent stabilized HD camera and even lower sensors for more stable flights. 2. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is what I call a high-quality cheap drone as you get a lot for what you pay for. This is a drone that rivals drones you would pay thousands of dollars for, and it comes in a very small package. It weighs less than 250 grams, meaning it doesn't need to be registered to fly, and comes with a super well-stabilized 4K camera, 31-minute flight time, and a 10 kilometers range. Really, what more could you ask for from a drone? You can find it in 2 package options at a great price, and the Fly Plus combo is worth getting in my opinion. 3. DJI Ryze Tello. The Tello is the best place to start. The camera quality won't compete with some of the more expensive models, but Ryze is primarily interested in getting you up and running with a safe, easy-to-control helicopter. Rotor guards and stability sensors play an important role here, not only ensuring your drone is safe and secure, but also keeping your surroundings out of harm's way. This means you can safely practice a little indoors before moving on to bigger shots outside. The forward-facing camera means it's more geared towards selfie shots or smaller frames than large landscapes, although the downward-facing sensors maintain additional stability in the air and can allow the drone to remain stable as well. Trick where the Tello lands in your palm. 4. DJI Mini 3. The basic DJI Mini 3 is slightly below the Pro model that made our list of the best drones of 2023, but it has the same features that made it a favorite. Most importantly, it allows you to record videos in both portrait and landscape modes, making it a great option for Instagram and TikTok content creators. It features 4K HDR video resolution and a flight time of 38 minutes, and remains incredibly lightweight and compact at just 249 grams, 8.8 ounces.